Dr. Johansson was an incredible researcher, visionary, and a very strategic thinker and planner.
Dr. Phyllis Sharps is a professor emerita at the Johns Hopkins University School of Nursing. She was a friend and colleague of Dr. Fanny Gaston Johansson, who was the first African-American woman to be a tenured full professor at Johns Hopkins University, blazing a trail for those after her.
It meant that it was possible, and that people were eager to, faculty were eager to be mentored, could review her CV, could review her scholarship and her research to see how it was done.
Martha Hill is the retired dean of the Johns Hopkins University School of Nursing. She recruited Johansson to Hopkins.
She had been mentored beautifully by prior African American leaders in nursing. They saw her as a future leader, and she came beautifully prepared and thrived in this complex environment.
Johansson was a member of the Hopkins nursing faculty from 1993 until her retirement in 2014. She focused her research on health disparities, pain management, end-of-life care, and coping strategies for women diagnosed with breast cancer. She is known for developing the Pain-O-Meter,
which would help patients describe to their caregiver, the nurse or the physician, the level of their pain and the kind of pain. She had the foresight to have her instrument patented, so that meant no one else could use it or would have to work with her if they wanted to modify it.
I think that integrating science into the care of patients is extremely important for the best care.
She met her husband in Sweden while a young exchange student. They married. While raising 5 children and working full-time, she earned her PhD from the University of Gothenburg.
Fanny helped us grow. She helped us recruit. She mentored doctoral students of all sizes, shapes, and colors. And she was a leader in that sense because she walked the walk.
While working as a full professor at Hopkins, she simultaneously served as a dean at the University of Gothenburg.
She did the transcontinental work in Sweden. Imagine a young woman from anywhere in Southeast United States becoming completely fluent in Swedish, doing a doctoral dissertation in Swedish. She had a capacity for language and for productivity.
When I look at my CV, I said, and I did all of that. I guess I had help too. I mean, people were supportive. Kids were supportive. So it was a family here. And I think that helped.
A superwoman and trailblazer, Fanny Gaston Johansson. Lisa Robinson, WBAL TV 11 News.
And Lisa tells us Fanny Gaston Johansson was also the recipient of the National Black Nurses Association's Trailblazer Award. She received citations from the U.S. Congress and the government of Sweden for international and domestic research.
And right now you can find this story and others on the Black History Month page on WBALTV.com. We'll post links to every story you see on air this month right here.